Have you ever faced the challenge of overgrown land or thick brush? Traditional methods can be costly and harmful to the environment, but there's a natural, eco-friendly solution that's been used for centuries. Goats. Goats are incredible animals. Not only are they adorable, but they are also nature's lawnmowers. These ruminants are highly effective at land clearing and brush control. Goats have a unique digestive system that allows them to consume a wide variety of vegetation, including weeds, invasive plants, and even thorny brush. This makes them perfect for maintaining diverse landscapes. Using goats for land management has multiple benefits. It's cost-effective, as goats can be rented for a fraction of the cost of machinery. It's environmentally friendly, reducing the need for herbicides and heavy equipment. Goats are particularly useful in areas that are difficult to access with machines. They can navigate steep slopes, rocky terrain, and dense underbrush with ease. Goats work tirelessly, and their impact is both immediate and long-term. By grazing, they help to prevent wildfires, control invasive species, and promote the growth of native plants. The results are impressive. In just a short time, goats can transform an overgrown area into a well-managed open landscape, ready for new growth or use. And it's not just about the land. Goats need proper care and management. They require fresh water, shelter, and rotation to new grazing areas to keep them healthy and productive. So, the next time you think about clearing land, consider goats. They're a sustainable, effective, and charming solution to brush control and land management.